Good morning. Welcome to day 7 of Leh and Ladakh. Today we are checking out from Pangong. It's beautiful today. We couldn't see any stars whatsoever because it was cloudy all night long and it did rain quite heavily around 2 to 33ish. Breakfast with the best view possible. Literally. सो वी फाइनली लेफ्ट. हम बढ़ चुके हैं अपनी अगली मंजिल की ओर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हानले. वी माइट ऑल्सो गो टू उमलिंगला टुडे itself, but if we don't then we are going there tomorrow. It's time to say bye to Pangong. Check out the view on the other side. A quick stop to admire the view. A quick pit stop for lunch. This is where we are having lunch. This is some random restaurant that we stopped at on our way to Hanle. We are going to Hanle directly. We are not going to Umlingla. So we have reached to Razangla Memorial. Another memorial that we are going to. Razangla, if you've seen 120 Bahadur, you would know the story. Again, with a heavy heart, we are leaving this memorial, Razangla Memorial. We got some souvenirs. I got a dog tag for Chivu, my dog. If you have seen my videos before, you know him. And if you have not, it's okay. He's my dog. It's a Chihuahua. He's about to be 9 years old. By the time this video goes out, probably he will be 9 already. And we also got to meet a जवान फ्रॉम कांगड़ा जो यहाँ पे पोस्टेड है. हमारी एक जवान से बात हुई. हमने उनको बताया कि हम लोग कांगड़ा से हैं, मतलब मेरे हस्बैंड कांगड़ा से हैं एंड ऑल. एंड उन्होंने जब हम डॉक्यूमेंट्री ख़त्म करके बाहर आए तो उन्होंने उन वाले जवान को वहाँ पे बुला के रखा था कि वो मिल पाए. तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट वी गॉट टू मीट हिम. And yeah, it was an experience being here. अच्छी खासी तेज़ बारिश हो रही है एंड जिस हिसाब से बादल हैं और स्काई क्लियर होता हुआ नहीं दिख रहा है, आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी डिफिकल्ट. आई डोंट थिंक मिल्की वे या स्टार गेजिंग कुछ भी पॉसिबल हो पाएगा हानले में. बट लेट्स सी, ऑल वी कैन डू इज़ होप. हियर्स टू होपिंग. So we have finally reached Hanle and we've come to the observatory directly. Look at that, that's where we are going. It's very beautiful. Obviously, I've said that about every other place that we've been to. But yes, of course, it is very beautiful. There's no one here. It's just us, this man, and me. Oh wow. Okay, it is open. We can get inside. There is a notice for visitors. I think we are well within time. We can just look around. Let's go up in the world's highest observatory. World's highest observatory, standing at 14,764 feet above sea level. So now we are out of the observatory because it was not allowed to make a video while we were talking to the guy who was explaining us everything about it. So yeah, what he told us is that the whole device is 26 years old and it is operated from Bangalore, uh, from the aerophysicists there who are they maintain the monitoring and they take the calls. Basically, the staff here is for the maintenance and everything. And he also told us that moonrise will happen at 10:30. So before that, if we get a little bit of clear sky, we might be able to see. We might be able to do stargazing, see the Milky Way, if we are lucky. So here's to hoping once again. Let's go. Now we are gonna go to our hotel, lodge, guest house, whatever. And yeah, let's go. वो नीचे जो आप देख रहे हो, that is Hanle village. So we finally reached our Hanle launch. Launch? No. We've reached Hanle lodge. अभी हमारी भाई से जो बात हुई है तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि बीच बीच में थोड़ा बहुत स्टार गेजिंग हो पा रहा है बट मिल्की वे तो नहीं दिख पा रहा है. लेट्स सी. लेट मी शो यू आवर रूम. ये बॉयज़ यहाँ पे सामान निकाल रहे हैं. रूम काफ़ी क्लियर और काफ़ी अच्छा है. ये देखिए. There we go. I like the vibe of this room. It's very cute, cozy, and quite decent. The washroom as well. Yeah. So अभी यहाँ पे कुछ खाने को नहीं मिलेगा. 8 बजे ही मिलेगा, डिनर के टाइम पे ही डायरेक्ट. So for now हम लोग अभी पास में एक रेस्टोरेंट है, वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस है यहाँ से. We can just go there and we'll go there. Yeah. क्या ये जीपी गई थी? आप जीपी से भैया? अरे मैं बिनी में रुकी थी. रघुपुर फोर्ट का ट्रैक है ना? वहाँ मेरा कैंपिंग है मैडम. वहाँ पे? अरे वाह, नाइस नाइस. तो यहाँ पे कब से हो आप? सो वीव कम टू सैटर्न कैफ़े. बहुत तेज़ हवा है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा तेज़ हवा है. मज़ेदार हवा है मगर ऐसा नहीं है कि ठंड है. इट्स वेरी नाइसली विंडी. हम आए हैं सैटर्न कैफ़े खाने और ये देखो हमको कौन मिला. मू, छोटी सी मू. हाय मू. बाय मू. ए मू का बेबी. ए छोटा बेबी मू का. मू बेबी. बाय मू बेबी. क्यूट. व्हाट? अच्छा चलो, लेट्स गो. वहाँ पे बहुत छोटी यार. प्रणव, you're not playing? हम वॉक करते करते फिर से इसी कैफे आ गए हैं। अब हम यहाँ से कहाँ पे जाएं? वी आर थिंकिंग, but look at the sky. There's no chance it's clearing up. So while walking around Hanle village, we saw this monastery, which is Hanle Monastery, and so now we are going there, looking at the beautiful views. And now let me take you to Hanle Monastery, which I don't think most people will take you to, because majorly people are only focusing here on stargazing and the observatory. Uh, so let me take you to a new place. इतना हाइप करने के बाद मुझे पता चला अभी अभी कि मोनेस्ट्री तो बंद है. So we'll try to go there tomorrow morning if we get a chance. But if we don't, it's okay. There is a monastery here which is called Hanle Monastery. You can definitely visit. अभी वो बंद हो गई है तो हम लोग नहीं जा पा रहे हैं. Hanle Gonpa. या लोल हो गया दोस्तों, लोल थोड़ा सा. यहाँ से देख लो. This is the monastery where we were going, and actually वो ऊपर है. There it is. But अभी बंद होने की वजह से हम लोग नहीं जा रहे हैं. जा सकते. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, हमारे ऊपर का आसमान काफ़ी साफ दिखाई पड़ रहा है. हैं थोड़े बादल. वहाँ जो तुम्हें आदमी दिख रहा है इस विंडो के पार, अगर तुम ध्यान से देखोगे तो वो मेरा पति है. ये देखो, ये रहा. अरे ओए, खोलो खोलो, मुझे अंदर आने दो. It's 9:06 right now. We are in Hanle and the sky got pretty clear. I can't be in a lot of light. That's why I'm using this light which is coming from this room. And I am seeing Milky Way with my naked eyes. It's right there. I will show it to you. I have put my DJI on for a time lapse, and I'm gonna use my phone for pictures and videos, probably if I can get any. This, I have never seen anything like this. Is the best. The best. I think I might cry.
Yeah.
स्कॉर्पियो दिख रहा है ना?
हाँ.
It's 10. What time is it, honey?
10:48.
It's 10:48. हम फाइनली अपने रूम में आ चुके हैं. क्लाउड्स ने पूरा का पूरा स्काई कवर कर लिया है. बट hoping did work. We did get to see the Milky Way. We did get to see a lot of constellations and a beautiful, beautiful starlit sky until the clouds came up, which is totally fine because we did get to enjoy it for a good 2 hours actually, 1.5 to 2 hours, which was amazing. And so, yeah, that was it for day 7. That was it for day 7 of Leh and Ladakh. We are going to Sumuriri tomorrow, but on our way, we are going to go to Umlingla as well. So, yes, I'm really, really excited for that. Health update, we are both fine. We are not feeling anything wrong about our health, or like we're perfectly healthy. We are totally fine. And the weather is beautiful. It's not too chilly, it's completely bearable. So, yeah, that's it for day 7. See you tomorrow. Guys, मैं सोने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, पर मेरे सामने ऐसे व्यूज है right out of my window. How can I sleep?